Top 15 Cancer-Fighting Foods. Today, I will bring you valuable information about a topic that concerns many of us: cancer prevention. If you are worried and looking for natural ways to strengthen your health, this video is made especially for you. I have delved deeply into scientific studies and want to invite you to join me until the end of the video to learn about the foods that can be your allies in the fight against cancer. The wisdom we acquire over time shows us that our diet is one of the pillars of our health. And when it comes to cancer, prevention is essential, as today, science has discovered that only 5 to 10% of cancers are genetic. I will leave the link to the scientific research that proves this statistic here in the video description, in case you want to check it later. Today, you will discover how small dietary changes can have a huge impact on protecting your body against cancer. If you want to learn simple secrets to strengthen your health and reduce cancer risk, keep watching, as the next information can make all the difference in your quality of life. Let's start this list of the top 15 cancer-preventing foods. Who said the fight against cancer can't be helped by food? 15. Kale. Kale is a highly nutritious cruciferous vegetable offering a variety of health benefits, including anti-cancer properties. Rich in glucosinolates, compounds that break down during chewing and digestion to form isothiocyanates, kale plays a crucial role in cancer prevention. Isothiocyanates are known for their detoxifying properties, helping to eliminate carcinogens from the body. Besides glucosinolates, kale is an excellent source of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause DNA mutations and lead to cancer development. Kale also contains dietary fibers, which are essential for digestive health and can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer by promoting regular bowel movements and toxin elimination. Another important component of kale is sulforaphane, an isothiocyanate that has shown potential in laboratory studies to inhibit the proliferation of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in malignant cells. Regular consumption of kale can therefore significantly contribute to reducing the risk of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancer. Kale can be consumed in various ways, such as raw in salads, sautéed, in soups, or in green juices, providing flexibility and flavor to the diet while offering its powerful health benefits. 14. Tomatoes. Now it's time to explore the benefits of those little reds, tomatoes. These fruits can be more than just an ingredient for making pasta sauce. They can be the key to our health. Tomatoes contain a high concentration of natural antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, lutein, lycopene, and zeaxanthin, which neutralize free radicals directly related to cancer development. A study by the Cancer Institute showed that men who consumed more than 10 servings of tomatoes per week had an 18% lower risk of prostate cancer than those who consumed small amounts. Additionally, tomatoes prevent the development of breast, lung, and stomach cancers. How about replacing store-bought tomato paste with fresh tomato sauce? That way, you will keep cancer cells away from your body. 13. Flax seeds. Who would have thought that tiny flax seeds could be so powerful in cancer protection? Flax seeds play a fundamental role in cancer prevention because they contain lignans, which have antioxidant effects and block carcinogenic processes, slowing the growth of malignant tumors, especially in the prostate. Clinical studies with thousands of women diagnosed with breast cancer showed that the use of flaxseed can significantly increase the survival of cancer patients. How about adding flaxseed to your green juice every morning? To get these benefits, flaxseed needs to be ground. It cannot be consumed whole. Grind it fresh and sprinkle it on yogurt or fruit salad. This way, 12. You will be protecting your body against avocado. Cancer. With its natural properties, avocado can play an important role in protecting your body against cancer. Researchers have revealed valuable information about this versatile fruit. If you are an avocado fan, you will be even happier to know how it can be a great ally against cancer. Avocado is a hidden hero and can be the key to avoiding cancer. Researchers from Ohio State University discovered that a magical compound present in avocado can eliminate precancerous cells. But this is just the beginning. Researchers from the same university discovered that glutathione present in avocado kills or stops the growth of precancerous cells, which mainly cause mouth cancer. Additionally, this substance suppresses the growth of malignant prostate tumors and attacks leukemia cells, while keeping healthy cells intact, unlike chemotherapy, which attacks all our cells, both healthy and cancerous. Want to know how to include avocado in your diet in an incredible way? How about adding a thin slice of avocado to your salad every day? It's delicious. Avocado is not just for eating with sugar and lemon. Try adding a slice of avocado to a green salad. Let me know in the comments if you liked my suggestion. 11. Garlic. Now let's talk about something many of us already use in the kitchen, but some hate: garlic. Did you know it is a natural ally against cancer? Hundreds of studies have found that garlic can remove carcinogens, such as cadmium, found in cigarette smoke, and activate white blood cells that destroy cancer cells. It has been proven that people who consume garlic 2 or more times a week have a 30% lower risk of developing lung cancer. Eating garlic twice a day reduces the likelihood of malignant tumors, especially in the stomach, esophagus, and intestines. 10. Cabbage. If you like cabbage, you will be happy to know that this vegetable is also on the list of foods that protect against cancer. Nature offers us incredible flavors and benefits. Cabbage, kale, and other vegetables in this family have a special power in cancer prevention. Just like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and red cabbage, they contain isothiocyanate, a substance toxic to cancer cells but harmless to healthy cells. Researchers from the University of Oregon and the University of Alabama proved that people who consume large amounts of kale, 200 grams or more per day, are much less likely to develop cancer. 9. Berries. Now, imagine how those little red berries can be a true treasure for health. Strawberries, cherries, and other berries play an important role in cancer prevention. They are delicious and a source of protection for our body. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. The bioflavonoids in these fruits activate vitamin C, one of the main enemies of cancer cells. Strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, plums, and watermelons reduce the risk of intestinal cancer. How about replacing pudding or dessert sweets with a serving of berries? 8. Legumes. Don't underestimate the power of beans and lentils. Beans and lentils not only enrich our meals but also strengthen our health against cancer. They are a valuable source of natural protection against this disease. A 6-year study with over 14,000 men in the United States showed that increased consumption of beans, lentils, and peas significantly reduces the risk of prostate cancer. Other studies with over 103,000 people showed that consuming large amounts of these legumes significantly reduces the risk of intestinal and pancreatic cancer. A great reason to include beans in your daily routine. 7. Grapes. I can't help but mention grapes, a gift from nature with powerful antioxidant properties. These fruits are a smart choice for our health. Grapes contain resveratrol, a substance with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that prevent cell damage, preventing cells from becoming malignant. The highest amount of resveratrol is concentrated in grape skins, especially in red or dark grapes. White grapes have less resveratrol. How about making juice with grape skins? 6. Green tea. Another food on researchers' lists is green tea, known for centuries for its health benefits. It also stands out in cancer prevention. How about taking advantage of the ancient wisdom of green tea to strengthen your health? This drink contains flavonoids and catechins, antioxidants that prevent or delay carcinogenic processes. The concentration of catechins in green tea is 3 times higher than in black tea. People who regularly consume green tea have a much lower chance of developing breast, prostate, bladder, and gastrointestinal cancers. 5. Fish. Let's dive into the seas and discover the power of fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines. Fish can be a surprising source of cancer protection. Fatty fish, with their omega-3 and other nutrients, are a smart choice for our health. Fatty acids deactivate inflammatory processes, preventing the formation of cancerous ulcers. Studies have shown that people who include fresh fish in their diet at least 3 times a week have a 53% lower chance of developing intestinal cancer. Other studies have shown that consuming fatty fish reduces the likelihood of developing prostate cancer. If you don't have access to omega-3 rich fish, consider supplementing with a good omega-3 twice a day, reducing the chance of cancer by 63%. 4. Nuts. All nuts have cancer-preventing abilities, but scientists pay special attention to this food. They have discovered that nuts contain a substance that binds to estrogen receptors, helping to prevent breast cancer. In a study, women undergoing cancer treatment who consumed 2 nuts a day had a much better response to treatment, with 70% of them managing to eliminate cancer, compared to those who did not eat nuts. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable widely recognized for its anti-cancer properties. One of the main active compounds present in broccoli is sulforaphane, which has been the subject of numerous scientific studies due to its potential in combating cancer cell growth. Sulforaphane works at the cellular level, helping to detoxify the body and eliminate carcinogens. It stimulates the production of enzymes that neutralize free radicals and toxins, which are known to damage DNA and promote cancer development. Besides sulforaphane, broccoli is rich in other essential nutrients, such as vitamin C and K, folate, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells against oxidative damage, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Folate is vital for DNA synthesis and repair, and potassium is essential for heart and muscle function. Regular consumption of broccoli can contribute to reducing the risk of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, lung, and colon cancer. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can be done in various ways, such as steamed, roasted, or raw in salads, allowing you to benefit the most from its nutritional and preventive properties. 2. Pumpkins and carrots. Let's now address the treasures that pumpkins and carrots hide. These vegetables, with their vibrant colors, can make all the difference in cancer protection. Pumpkins and carrots are simple and powerful foods. They are full of beta-carotene, which transforms into vitamin A and prevents cancer. Studies show that beta-carotene plays an important role in strengthening the immune system, preventing certain types of cancer. An analysis of 8 studies showed that beta-carotene reduces the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Other studies show that regular consumption of carrots reduces the risk of stomach cancer by up to 26%. Great reasons to include carrots and pumpkin in your diet, but carrots need to be raw. Ginger. To take full advantage of Ginger is a root commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine due to its numerous health benefits. Among these properties, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capacities stand out, which are essential in cancer prevention. The main bioactive compound in ginger is gingerol, which has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Gingerol helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and lead to cancer development. Additionally, ginger can inhibit chronic inflammation, a known risk factor for various forms of cancer. Chronic inflammation can promote the growth and spread of cancer cells, and compounds present in ginger help reduce this inflammation, creating a less favorable environment for cancer development. Studies also suggest that ginger can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells, without affecting healthy cells. This is particularly important in cancer treatment and prevention, as it specifically targets malignant cells. Ginger can be easily incorporated into the daily diet, whether fresh, powdered, or in tea form. Adding it to juices, soups, main dishes, or even desserts can provide its preventive benefits in a tasty and versatile way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.